Carl, my dog's gonna be picking my makeup today. I got this idea from Angelina. I forgot what her full username is, but I remember it starts with her name, which is Angelina. Okay, first, it's gonna be like a tinted sunscreen because I don't like wearing foundation. Well, I like wearing foundation, like I have this and I like this. It just makes my face look kind of greasy. So I don't want to waste his cheeks, so I'm just gonna get like a piece of his face to put in front of each product. Taco, look. Pick one. Pick one. Y'all, he's not picking one. Bro, gotta pick one. Taco, pick one. Eat one of them. Bro, he'll eat it now. What? No, he won't even eat it now, bro. Bro, what? I'm gonna have to switch over to the treats for this one. Because, like, he just won't. Taco, not yet, okay? Oh my god, he's so excited. You're so excited. Hey. Get right here. Hey. Got one, and we got two. I'm putting it behind the product. Hey. Okay, he picked the Summer Fridays. And then I'll be right back. Taco, come here. Which one? Good boy. Good boy. Y'all, he picked the one I want because that other one's not my shade. Taco! I have more treats. Boy. Y'all, he's under the couch, bro. It's gonna take forever now. It's gonna take forever now, bro. Because Taco hid under the couch. This is gonna take, like, forever. Taco, she's one. She's one for me. Oh. Okay, thank you. Oh, he chose the bad one. Okay. Now it's time for primer. Powder, sorry. Taco! Taco, come here. Pick one. Yes, he chose the one I want him to pick. Taco, you're such a good boy. Yes, you are. I have 2 lip liners. Come here. Oh, why did you choose that one? Taco, come here. Okay, wait. So if he picked that one, then you better have picked the right lip gloss to go with that one. Taco's right here. Oh my god, Taco, you're literally the best dog in the world. Here, take that. Like, literally amazing. Oh, I forgot to do mascara, so we're gonna have black mascara or blue mascara as our options. Okay. Taco! Bro's about to be in a coma. He's having so many treats. He's hiding under the couch. Like, he's so excited. I can see his tail wagging, but he's, like, not coming out. Like, bro. I'm just gonna leave this recording and go to my room so then maybe he'll come out and pick one. Okay, so he chose. Okay, my dog. Taco, he chose the black mascara under because I didn't want regular mascara. So he did a lot of things. That's really fun. I like both of them a lot, but I would rather have the other one. It's not surprising, like, I feel like both of them equally. It's just the surprise one's really heavy pigment. Oh, and I wish we would have chose the other blush because I don't really like powder blushes that much. I still like my face on. But I prefer like cream or the liquid or like, yeah. Okay, I probably did the back after that, but first we're gonna start Fridays. Shade Drop, Board Spectrum, SPF 30, minimal milk. It's definitely milk because it's very like watery, you know. Oh my god, it's very milky, as you can see. It says Shade Drops. Not really any shade, but I mean, I like it. I like it, but I like it. I like these. Yeah. The other one, oh my god. There are other ones that I like. Oh my god, I'm fine. There are other ones that I like more than that one, but yeah, I'll take that one. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do that one because that one is not my shade. This one is the Revolution Auto Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer in the shade C7, and the other one was the Ceramic Cover Multi-Use Compactor Fluid in shade 2, Light Natural. Yeah, I guess that was not my shade. So that's what I like. There's another one by this brand that the Revolution, another concealer, a different shade. It's not the best shade for me, but I think it doesn't do that color. And that really hurts me, but I don't know, this one feels good. It's a little light. It's what I use every day, so. That was actually powder because it's not looking nothing else, so. Time for powder. Powder. No, it's just 2 powders. You don't this one, but like, this also, I think it works well, so I'm using it for that. I've only used a little bit of this, so it's just technically cheap, you know. Okay. Psycho color. Leave it on me. Just leave it on me. You like? That after blush, I'm going to talk about powder blush. So, I mean, not that I don't like powder blush. It's that I prefer a different. I prefer not powder blush. Anyways, I finished my blush. I finished my blush. I'm pretty straight. Okay. This is my blush. After this looks pretty good. Oh my god, I did my tongue. Not doing it. Okay. Wait, I didn't ask for a lash cover. I can use a lash cover. That's okay. Do this. Mascara. Mascara. I went with the e.l.f. lashes on. That also looks good. This e.l.f. one works super good. The e.l.f. lash extender. See the difference? See the big difference. Wait. And I did the mascara. So, I really want to try though. Is I've been wanting to try the L'Oreal one, like the gold one. You know, because it's popular now. I want to try that. I forgot what it's called though. I know it's L'Oreal and it's a gold thing. So, yeah. Okay, so, I'm going to I don't usually use. Not that I like this one. It's that it's darker than the other one. So it's not what I would usually use, but it's still, I still really like it, you know.
So, okay, I guess this is going to be a big fan of the iCarly web show.
This does it good enough. The NYX Fat Makeup Fat Oil Lipstick. I just mix makeup. I just thought NYX. I thought like I never mix makeup. The first thing that popped in my head is mix makeup. I don't lip liner in America. Like that. I just never do one. I think I already use something already. Okay, I already showed you this one, the concealer, the Revolution one. Then for powder, I use the e.l.f. press powder. I use this, and there's this Prime Stay finishing powder, and I would say light medium. And then I use the Rude New Orleans French Quarter Face and Eye Palette. Has one highlighter, 2 brushes, 1 bronzer, and a bunch of eyeshadows. Then I'll tell you, I don't take everything. And I took out this, and I took out this, but this time I used with it was the Roche, was it, no, is it, I don't know, hold on. Laura Mercier, long wear lip liner in the shade, I don't know, in the shade Hazelnut Tea. Yeah. And that's all those. Bye!